What if your healthy breakfast is actually making you weaker, more inflamed, and accelerating aging from the inside out? For millions of Americans over 60, that's the terrifying reality hiding in their fridge. The yogurt industry has sold you a lie, and today we're exposing it. Stay with me because the next spoonful you eat could either be poisoning your gut or healing it. Before we continue, make sure you like this video. The problem. Yogurt was ancient medicine, a living fermented food designed to heal your digestion and strengthen your body. But big food got hold of it. They stripped out the healthy fats, killed the beneficial bacteria with over-processing, and pumped it full of sugar, artificial sweeteners, and gut-shredding gums. The result? A multi-billion-dollar industry built on making you sick while telling you it's healthy. It ends now. Here are the 4 worst yogurts you must throw out immediately. Number 4, low-fat fruit yogurts. The heart healthy label is a trap. When they remove fat, they add sugar, up to 25 grams per cup. A Harvard study linked these to a 56% higher risk of type 2 diabetes in seniors. That sugar spike cripples your energy and fuels inflammation. Number 3, flavored Greek yogurts. That thick, creamy texture often comes from carrageenan, an additive proven to trigger gut lining inflammation and leaky gut. You're trading a protein boost for chronic joint pain and brain fog. Number 2, artificial protein yogurts. These are frankenfoods. Lab-created protein isolates and gut-sterilizing artificial sweeteners like sucralose. They contain almost 0 live probiotics, killing the good bacteria you need most after 60. And the number 1 worst yogurt for seniors, frozen yogurt. It's a dessert in disguise. The freezing and processing destroy every last probiotic. You're left eating sugary, inflammatory ice cream that wrecks your blood sugar and your gut health. It's the biggest scam in the dairy aisle. The 4 best. Now, flip the script. Here are the 4 yogurts that are true medicine. Number 4, goat milk yogurt. Easier to digest, richer in bioavailable calcium. A 2020 study showed it improves calcium absorption by 25% and boosts beneficial gut bacteria. Gentle and powerful. Number 3, plain full-fat Greek yogurt. The real deal. Strained naturally, high in protein, packed with live cultures. It stabilizes blood sugar, supports muscle repair, and provides conjugated linoleic acid for reduced inflammation. Number 2, kefir yogurt. This isn't just yogurt, it's a probiotic powerhouse. With up to 30 different strains, it recolonizes your gut. Studies show daily kefir can slash inflammation markers in half for seniors in just weeks. And the number 1 best yogurt you can eat? Homemade plain yogurt. This is the king, unpasteurized, unstabilized, and alive. It can contain 100 times more probiotics than store-bought brands. You control everything. It's the ultimate tool to rebuild your gut, absorb critical nutrients, and fight aging from the inside out. So, the power is back in your hands. Your gut is your second brain. It controls your immunity, your mood, and your vitality. Stop poisoning it with sugary, processed imposters. Start healing it with real, living food. This isn't just about changing your breakfast. It's about reclaiming your health span. It's about having the energy to play with your grandkids and live your life without pain and fatigue. Your action is simple. Go to your fridge today. Look at the labels. If you see sugar, carrageenan, or artificial sweeteners in the first 3 ingredients, throw it out. Replace it with one of the 4 healing yogurts we just revealed. If you found this life-saving information helpful, do us a favor. Smash that like button, share this with a friend over 60, and subscribe to Health Fix Now. We're here to give you the truth, no matter what. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these yogurts shocked you the most? Tell me in the comments below. We read every single one. Thanks for watching.